Hi, today we're going to talk about PayPal payments that are coming for a business, and we're going to take help of a simple form which I've created in Notion to keep track of all your PayPal business payments. So you can see we have created a first name, last name, email, billing address. Is shipping address same as billing address? Do you want to send gifts? Special instructions and payment methods in this particular form. And once the customer fills in all these records and clicks on submit, the response will be captured under the responses view that you can see over here. So I'm going to quickly fill in some of the records over here, and then we're going to talk how you can take help of the responses view to keep track of all the details. So I'm going to enter some random information. For the payment methods, I'm going to put debit card, and once I click on submit, you can see that that response will get captured under the responses view, and from here you can keep track of all the PayPal business payments that are coming for a business. So what you need to do is go to the form builder, click on share form, click on copy form link, and just expose this to the customer or the client who is going to enter the records over here. So once this link is exposed to the person, they can enter the information over here and click on submit, and then everything will be captured over here in the responses view. Besides this, I also want to highlight that there is this tool known as PDF Output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing Google Document as a template, and it works with Google Sheet or Notion database as a source of database. So you can create invoice PDFs or any other documents that are required for a business or personal use cases, and you can generate bulk documents with the help of a editable Google document and Google Sheet or Notion database. I've added a video which explains how you can generate professional invoices from a Google document. So if you want to check it out, please check out PDF Output. And besides this, if you have any other questions, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you further on this. Thank you. Have a great day.